Come on! God, just move this more! If only I had a portable air compressor. Hey, a portable air compressor. Okay, all joking aside, we are checking out the JFEGWO Portable Air Compressor. Let's open up this box and check it out. So we've got some packing material, and oh, look at this. It comes in a nice little case. Here are our directions for the F75 air inflator. We've got a pouch here. This has our USB charging cable, which is USB-C. Here's our air hose that we're going to need to hook up to our air compressor. Let's open up this bag and see what we got in here. Wow, look at how tiny this thing is. That is awesome. Hard to believe that this is going to inflate a car tire, but we're about to find out. Let's see if we got any power on this thing right out of the box. All right, we're just going to press that. She's booting up. And it looks like we've got about 25% power. We're just going to screw this onto here. And now we're ready. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. Now this is going to free flow at 200 psi, but we can change this by hitting the mode button. And now we're set to car, so this is just going to automatically go to 36 and then stop. Put this on. Hit the power button again. Let's go blow this tire up. Alright, well, just about 13 minutes for it to get 36 pounds of pressure in this tire. That was from nothing all the way to 36. And I need to do a better job at reading this meter. It was actually full, and now it's at 75%. Moving on to the next tire. Well, it looks like our tire is a little dead on the hearse. Let's see what we can do with this one. Well, at least this one's got 7 pounds in it. That's in about 13 minutes. And it looks like we're down another 25% to about 50. That's not bad for running for almost a half hour straight. Let's see if we can find a lawnmower tire to blow up or something. Okay, now this little tiny trailer tire probably only takes like, I don't know, maybe 20 pounds of pressure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change our mode and change it all the way over to here. And then let me see if we can just go right on past. There we go. Okay, there's the shortcut. Just go up. We're going to just set it to 20 and hit the start button. And just like that, this little tire is full of air. Here's another button I didn't show you though, right here. It actually has a little flashlight. So if it's at night and you can't see the valve stem, you've got a light. So you've got your regular light, a flashing light, then it'll flash SOS and Morse code. So let me show you this now. If I had a basketball or a volleyball or soccer ball and I need to blow it up, I would put this in here, just like that. I would hit the mode button and just change it until we get to the little basketball icon, and then hit the button. That'll blow the ball up. Overall, this is a fantastic device. It worked perfect. Couldn't be happier. It really had no issues inflating 3 tires in about 30 minutes. That's pretty good considering this thing is, well, the size of a transistor radio. And I just dated myself, so have a good one, y'all.